Hi, this is Scott, and welcome to your virtual video walk around. Looking for a big Ford truck? This one's it right here. Let's take a virtual video walk around and show you this vehicle up close and personal, as opposed to looking at static photos. Take notice of the exterior condition, absolutely flawless. It's got the Power Stroke turbo diesel, the FX4 off-road package, of course. Does have the tow package. The Super Duty makes me want to drive it right now. It's got the power rear slider, bed liner. Going to make our way in and take a look at the interior. Ample legroom for friends or family, anybody traveling with you. Impeccable condition, low miles. This truck, I can tell you, is not going to last long. Warranty protection for life, oil changes for life on selected models here at Sunset Ford. For more information on this truck or any other trucks that we have in the inventory, call us, email us, text us. Better yet, come on down. We'd love to meet you and earn your business. This is Scott Tanner on your virtual video walk around. I'm going to go for a drive right now. Say and make it a great day. Take care.